The quickest and simplest way to enjoy authentic Italian cappuccinos at home. This Gaggia Naviglio Milk features the new Capp and Cup milk frother, which froths and dispenses perfect cappuccino foam directly into your cup. Dedicated buttons make for an easy selection of 1 or 2 espressos. Or a one-touch cappuccino. Push and hold the buttons to program your preferred drink volume. Convenient front-loading design means the Naviglio fits on any countertop with a 50 ounces water reservoir and 10.58 ounces bean hopper. Cup height, 2.75 inches to 4.3 inches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. One-touch cappuccino. New Capp and Cup frother automatically froths and dispenses milk for a cappuccino. Pannarello wand for manual frothing of lattes and cappuccinos also included. Number 2. Easy access. The dregs drawer, drip tray, and water tank are all within reach and accessible from the front of the machine for quick and easy cleaning and maintenance. Cup height, 2.75 inches to 4.3 inches. Number 3. Intuitive operation. There are dedicated buttons and indicator lights for each of the machine's drinks and functions. Number 4. Rapid steam technology. Quick heat-up times and robust brewing and steaming operations. Coffee bean capacity, 300 grams. Number 5. 1-year warranty. Hassle-free 1-year warranty handled by Gaggia directly. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.